with Spa Clinic. Now this is a shop that has a lot of well-med and skincare products, and our theme is pastel pink, mint, and light blue. Welcome in today. How can I help you? Are you looking for anything in particular? Okay, well, this is the shelf of things that we're selling today. Do you have an appointment, or are you just here to browse our products? Okay, well, this is our table of products. We have the fridge to keep all of your skincare cool. We have our filter that keeps your air clean and cool in your home. We have our steamer, which is really good for your skin, and it doubles as a humidifier. We have our choice of candles. We have various soaps and lotions over here. We have some different kinds of face cleansers and cleansing pads and some room spray. So just browse around, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay. So you're interested in the Bubble Soft Launch Hydrating Cream Cleanser for your face. That's a very good pick, and this is actually one of our testers if you want to go ahead and try it out. We've got more in the drawer for purchase, but this is one of our testers. If you want to go ahead and try a dip, that'd be perfectly fine with me. Is there anything else that you had questions about? Yes, this is another tester. This is our stress relief spray, and it really does work. I have 2 of my own, and I really enjoy it. Would you like to go ahead and test it out? Yes. These are our magnesium pills. They are specific to our clinic and FDA approved. They are very nice at brightening your skin and tightening your wrinkles. Would you like to try one? Yes. This book is certainly for purchase. Oh, smart. Now this is our tea tree water. It's a toner, and it's really great just to refresh your skin and get all of those toxins out. I use mine every morning, and I love it. Would you like to try it? This is our scalp scrub. You can use it in the shower while washing your hair, and it promotes your hair follicles to grow healthier, stronger hair. How do you like it? These are brightening toner pads. If you don't want to use the toner spray, you can just swipe one of these across your face. And then here's a pair of our sunglasses that we sell. It's on par with our branding, which is soft colors. Protect those eyes. We're all about protecting the eyes and the under eyes. We also have the blue and the mint. And then I love this lotion. It smells so good. This one is going to be $50, but it is half price today, so you're lucky you came in on a really good day. So if you sign up for one of our memberships, you'll actually get this for $25 instead of $50. I'm wearing some today. I really love it. And this one's a tester, so you can try that out as well. And then we've got our organic body wash. This is a customer favorite. I love it. And also a tester if you'd like to kind of try it out. And then we're also partnered with Orthodontic Care, so we do sell Premier toothpaste also. We sell mouthwash. And then this is our dermatologist approved skincare lotion. It's more medical and it really, really does a good job for dry, itchy skin. What else? Our pink soap. And then just a lot more. We also have a teeth mold on brand with our dental partnership. Alright, was there anything else on the table that you'd like me to explain or go through, or would you like to just kind of browse and test around some more? Okay, perfect. Let me know if you need anything else and I'll do my best to assist you, okay? Alright, enjoy your service. Hi, ma'am. Did you find everything okay? Perfect. Perfect. Are you ready to check out? Okay, perfect. Oh, the bubble hydrating booster. Good choice. Oh, the mint shower gel. Very nice. The scalp massager. Very nice choice. Oh, the brightening pads. Very nice. And the headband for when you do your makeup and skincare. Perfect touch. Alrighty, I'll set that down on the table. Let me get you all looked up here. And what is your phone number for me, please? Okay, and a good email? Awesome, and what is your first and last name? Alright, and would you like to become a member today? You will get 15% off your entire purchase. No? Are you sure? Okay, that's fine. To opt in to receive text messages from our clinic? No? Would you like a receipt for all that today? One of our first customers, we're going to give you this complimentary gift set. In here you'll find some bars of soap along with some other things. So here you go. Alrighty, and last but not least, we have some affirmations for you. You want to just pick one out of the deck to send you on your way? That'd be perfect. I'm going to go ahead and scan the items that we picked out. Alrighty. Go ahead and scan your card for me, please. Would you like your receipt with you or in the bag? And the bag's fine? Perfect. Alright, there you go. I hope you enjoyed your time today at our med spa. And was there anything else that you were looking for that you could not find in store? Okay. Alright, and what was that? Okay, let me go ahead and check our inventory. Just a second. It was the bubble hair wash. Okay, let me check. Looks like we don't have any in our We have a clinic about 2 hours from here, but it doesn't look like they have it either. Okay. It looks like they do have it online, however, they just ran out of stock. But I can go ahead and call and see when they're gonna go ahead and get that in. Would you like me to go ahead and do that? Okay, perfect. Dial out of our system here. Yes, hello. I have a client here who is interested in the bubble hair wash, and we noticed that no stores around us have it in store, and we noticed that it is out of stock at the moment online too. Do you happen to know when you guys are going to get a new batch of that? On Monday? Okay. Let me write that down and put that in my notes. Perfect. Alrighty. I'll let her know. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. You have a wonderful day, ma'am. And please hurry back. Give us a review on our website if you find the time. Alright, would you like your receipt, ma'am? See you next time.